All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. And this is an 8 top, 8 bottom teeth. Diamond cuts, diamond dust finish. It is solid 925 sterling silver. Handmade, not made by a computer, it's made by hand. Beautiful work. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can choose top, bottom, or a set, and you choose how many teeth you want right on the website, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.